Hello, it's the Eric Freeze, and today we're going to do a thing about frozen pizzas. I have two of them here. I'm going to put one on one plate, one on the other plate. Looks like there's a bit of difference. This one looks like it has more pepperonis on it than the other one. So I'll try to even these out. But I'm going to cook one of them in this GE microwave, and then the other one will be cooked in the Panasonic microwave in my bedroom. So we'll get to testing. I have unpackaged them and evenly distributed the pepperonis. I'm going to get a square sheet of cheese to put on each one of these, and I'll be back. Nice to see that I only have two left. First, we'll start with the G, or model they're at. You can even find a model plate on here. Well, I don't know the model plate. I don't know how many watts this uses, but this is a GE microwave made by the Samsung. We're going to put these in on full power for I have to press the time cook button, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Let me go around to the back and we can find some information. Well, here's our model. This is from 2011, which is about right. Made by Samsung. So let's start cooking the other one also in for 1 minute and 20 seconds in my Panasonic. Here's my 1997 Panasonic basic model microwave. This one is JK18 approved. The door's also not flexible. Here's your informations. Focus. And we'll also cook this for 1 minute and 20 seconds. On full power. This one's a bit knackered, but it still works. It's also quieter. I like how when it reaches the end, it runs the fan for a bit longer. Something else you're going to notice is if I let this thing set for a bit, like every minute, it's going to chirp at me. Just one chirp, kind of like a smoke detector for low battery. But I won't let it wait to do it. Our pizza. We'll take this out and put it on the table where we shall examine it. I'll show you what I was talking about with the door. If you push it in, focus. Well, sometimes you can push it in and it won't fully latch. If we go back in here to the Panasonic, this looks a bit more done, but we will go take these over to the kitchen and we'll do the comparison. Well, here's our comparison. This is from the Panasonic. This is from the GE. Notice a little bit more melting on the Panasonic side compared to the GE, which we only have one corner. Plate warmth. Feels roughly the same. This just feels a little bit more malleable. Maybe I think I may have put this in the center, and if you didn't know, the center of a microwave is a dead zone. Not a scientific test, just a quick comparison. I'll probably cook 2 bags of popcorn in these microwaves sometime. I'll do a comparison of that. I'll get some stuff and then we'll cut into these pizzas and we'll see. I have cut into both of these pizzas. And this one feels a little bit more cooked. The one from the Panasonic feels a bit more cooked. I feel like I should leave these in for a bit longer, so I'll put these back in the microwave for about 30 seconds each. Here's our GE. So put this back in our microwave for 30 seconds. Actually, we have a 30-second button. The thing I don't like about it is when I hit the 30-second button, it doesn't let you like press start to do it. It just starts automatically. Let's go take this to our Panasonic. This plate feels a lot warmer, and we'll cook this for another 30 seconds. Notice how when I press the button, it doesn't start cooking automatically. This one has finished. It's nice and hot. And then our Panasonic. It's a bit longer. That is already looking better. This Panasonic is older by like 10, 15 years, something like that. Or like 10, roughly. And, oh boy, this is way hotter than a GE. Sadly, I think we found our winner. Our winner is the Panasonic from 1997. I can tell. I know they didn't get out of the microwaves at exactly the same time, but oh dear. This is quality right here. That's some good pizza. So I'm going to sit back, watch some YouTube, and thank you very much for watching, and keep the breeze.